think from now on I will include more of my mistakes and where I'm going wrong and that sort of thing, because I've watched so many videos on YouTube of perfect things being built perfectly with no mistakes, and actually I find them initially they're amazing, and then gradually you just think, crap, I don't build like that. For instance, I'm a carpenter. I think I'm reasonably good at carpentry. And I'm shit at hammers. I can't use a hammer to save my life. Yeah, I'm trying to do this and earn a living through doing this, through this, YouTube. Yes, I'm not fully aware of how I make a living yet, because I'm not. And so I'm a stay-at-home dad trying to do a YouTube channel because it might earn a little bit of money at some point in the future, and I think it's a lot of parents are in the same situation. They're trying to cobble together a living between the hours of 9 and 3:30. So I'm going to crack on with this YouTube stuff. Not the usual, and probably not what you expected to see here, but I hope you enjoy it. I will see you in the next video. Keep watching though. Okay, so we're going to try and put the window in. Yay! Not ideal conditions, it's quite gusty, but set it up so it's ready. I've got to put the foam weather strip in, seal, and then a friend of mine's coming, John, to help me put the glass into the frame and put it in the space. And then to seal it in, going to put chocks in underneath the windowsill just to bring it up to the top. And then hopefully, first window will be in. Woohoo! Pretty happy. Got the window in, got lots to do on it still, but it's in and it's tight, and yeah, got to run some silicone bead along the bottom edge of here and here where it seals, where it meets the sill, but from being a patio door to a lovely big window for our garden office. Excuse my ramble before and start of the video. I hope you don't mind. Yeah, I hope you get something from watching these. If you do, like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Press the bell below to be notified of when there's another one of these videos out. And yeah, I will be getting onto the electrics. Yes, I'm in the UK. No, I can't. I'm not a certified electrician, but I know how to run the cables and the sockets and the lights, where I want all the switches, and so I will do that, and then I will have an electrician come and check it all at some point before I switch it all on. He or she will wire it up and strip all the wires and that sort of stuff. So yeah, next steps are get the doors on and yeah, get the electrics in. First fix electrics in. Anyway, hope you're having a good day and enjoy this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.